Hello friends, welcome to another video and welcome to the Philippines. Let's have a look at how our precious houseplants grow in this part of the world. When my friend told me about this place, she said they have a lot of plants. So of course I want to see it. This place is about half an hour drive from home. The plan was to have lunch there. Unfortunately, they were closed. They open on weekends, but staff allowed us limited access to their garden, so it wasn't too bad. I quickly took as many videos as I can. There's a lot of philodendrons and pothos, anthuriums, succulents, and cacti garden. It's amazing to see how effortless these plants were growing. So today was a lesson on how to be flexible and have a backup plan in case the original plan doesn't work. Mosquito repellent is a must in these areas. And that is all for today. Thanks again for watching. I hope you enjoyed this video. I hope to bring you more plant and flower related content in this channel, so please subscribe if you haven't yet. Leave a comment, press the bell icon, and I'll see you again in my next video.